All right, Jim, looks like they're cleaning up here now. Just the guy that got everything all cleaned up. He went in and cut that limb right there. And I think he throwed in this other limb for a bonus that was up there hanging pretty low on or above Melvin Hill's tree line right there. It was down there somewhere. He's up there, yeah, right there. Right in that area right there. But anyways, they got you taken care of. In the meantime, they're still hustling out here, doing their thing. And they got just a little bit more debris to pick up. They're waiting on the truck to come back, or the trailer to come back. That way they can finish getting that all out of here. That'll be over with. That way Robert can come out here and do what he needs to do. I'm gonna go ahead and get the chain and grab hold of that piggyback tank right there and go ahead and haul it off. I'll haul it up here at the house. And this tank right here ain't gonna be no big deal. Have to move it out of the way if it's in the way. Actually, it looks like they have nudged it a little bit, pushed it over. I don't know why, but it kind of looks like it. Anyways, they're out here working, hustling. They got the federal boys out here again, tending to land conservation. There's one of them right there walking with a stick on his hand, surveying, making sure they got the height and everything right. All this stuff has to be done right. You can't just guess at this stuff no more. It costs a lot of money to get up here and do this stuff. And with the technology that we have today with GPS and everything, there's no reason why it shouldn't be done and done right. Anywho, I got to get ready to go to the bank. I guess that Marty character, he said that he'd be emailing you the bill on all this out here pertaining to cutting down them trees over there on your lot. I've been over here cleaning up quite a bit, but as you can see, I'm far from being through. But maybe eventually I'll get it all tied up. But to tell you, whenever you do come down here, there's one guinea right there that I got, but we can always get us some chickens, have us some fresh eggs every day on the farm. Can't beat that, can you? Can't beat that with a big ugly stick, huh? Anyways, I'm about through my Christmas decorations, like just a few more. Got to tear this ground right here up, put my gravel down. Should have done that years ago. I know a lot of people think that going on my way regarding for our veterans, but as far as I'm concerned, I can't do enough for them, or we can't do enough for them, pertaining to those that are willing to pay the ultimate sacrifice if necessary in keeping and maintaining our freedom, our liberty. Anyways, good luck to all of us. Like I said, they're right there hustling and working and pushing dirt around and reconfiguring this and reconfiguring that for the benefit of hopefully 20 years 50 years, 100 years, 150 years, however long the earth may last before the good Lord comes back. Maybe he'll tear it for a certain length of time. But they've actually got a couple more other projects on the other side of that hillside. You can see one of their land conservationists over there, right there. They got 2 more other levees that have to build over in that area. So I don't guess they're going away for the next day or two. Right here doing what needs to be done. They'll definitely change the landscape out here to something to the degree something me and you're gonna have to look at now for the rest of our lives, which it needed doing. There's no doubt Grandpa and Grandma will be jumping up and down if they even see them out here right now pertaining to conservationists. Talk to you later. See you. Bye.